Hey folks, so I purchased these magnetic car phone holders. You actually get two in the packet, which was nice. And I want to talk about the pros and the cons, because first off, the build quality of these is very good. As soon as I took it out of the box, I realised that this was a well-made product, and the hinges and that all work very well. As you can see, there is some adjustability here, but the adjustability is quite tight, so it's not going to be adjusting itself again mid-journey. And the box does include everything you need. There are some of these sticky pads, 2 in each box, so 4 in total, which you can put on the back of your phone. This will allow your phone to magnetise to the mount itself. And there are some cleaning wipes so that you can clean the dash before attaching the mount and clean the back of your phone before attaching those magnetic stickers. The only thing I would have liked to have seen here, which do come with other magnetic car mounts I've used, is an attachment to connect this to a vent, so you don't have to use the sticky pad if you don't want to attach it to your dashboard or window. In fact, the box itself even says magnetic car air vent. I think that's because the profile of these is so small, you can in some vehicles attach them between the two air vents, but a little bit confusing there. It doesn't come with an air vent mount. But yeah, the build quality, very good, no complaints there. I think the big issue for me is that this is a magnetic mount. It doesn't work with MagSafe. Okay, my iPhone 12 is a MagSafe phone, and I still have to use one of these sticky pads in order to use this. And that I just find is really unnecessary and kind of annoying, if I'm honest with you. And to clarify, both my phone and the case are MagSafe and work no problems with other MagSafe technology or mounts. In fact, this flaw is so annoying, I would go as far as to say that if you do have a MagSafe phone, you're better off just getting a magnetic phone holder that is also MagSafe enabled, so you don't have to use these stickers. You know, this is generally included for when you don't have a MagSafe enabled device, but when you do, you don't really want to be fannying about with these. It's a shame really, because apart from that letdown, this is a really good phone mount holder for the car. As I say, very low profile, very well designed. It's just a shame that you have to use these stickers no matter what. But there we have it then, folks. That's my quick pros and cons review of the 2-pack phone mount holder. Thank you for watching. I hope the video helped.